everybody! Today, let's make something sweet. In Korean, 계피만주. Manju is some cookies inside filled with sweet beans. Really delicious. I'm going to show you. This is 계피만주. I already made this. I froze. And this morning I thawed out before filming this. This is a small, cute cookie. You guys can follow my step-by-step directions. And then you will make this manju from now on. I can't resist. To make this manju, you need these beans called lima beans, white color. Be sure to find large lima beans. I'm going to show you how to make filling, the sweet bean paste. We need 7 ounces. By the way, my 1 cup is 240 milliliter. And for this, to make 7 ounce, little bit mountain, a little more than 1 cup. This is 7 ounce. I need to soak this for a long time, like 24 hours. So this is just now. I'm soaking in cold water, get this size. And this is 24 hours ago, I soaked this. I started soaking. Look at this size difference. So I don't need this. Maybe 24 hours later, I'll make this again. The reason I soak these beans for a long time is that you should be able to remove the skin so easily. So like just pinching like a little bit, pressing down between your fingers. And then inside the beans only, we can take it out. Like, look at that. We gotta remove this. Easy. When I was young, 계피만주 was sold in some special bakery. I stopped at the bakery and looked through the window and all kinds of colorful sweets and delicious cookies, these things. Oh, my mouth waters. So now I can make it at home and I can enjoy this. What a wonderful life I'm living. Last 2 beans. Let's rinse one more time. Wow, nice, beautiful white beans. So I'll just put this in this is my pot. Pot is kind of a heavy pot is better. And also it should be large. Okay, just I'll put it there. Add 2 cups of water. And let's heat it up. Medium-high heat. When beans are boiling, it's bubbles. A lot of bubbles and foams are created. Without the lid, just boil. Over medium-high heat, 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a dough. I need another pan, just a heavy pan. And this is so simple. Let's start with butter. Butter is unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon. And heat up, just low heat. Be careful not to burn the butter because the butter color changed to brown. All this ruined the color. So we need to just only, just low heat and melt. A couple of minutes later, you can see how these foams are creating. Look at this. It's coming up, right? Up and up. Then you use your wooden spoon just to keep stirring. Like this. Until these bubbles really go down. And turn down the heat to medium. Meanwhile, our butter is now well melted. And then this is sweetened condensed milk. You can find this at any grocery store. We need 1/4 cup. Melted butter still hot. And then add this pinch of salt. And this is pinch of baking soda. And stir this. 1 large egg. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract makes it smells very good, flavorful, but skippable. If you don't have, you don't have to use. So 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix. So even though I'm doing this, at the same time, I keep an eye on my beans. Beans are just now well cooked. So stir occasionally. And I'll bring my flour. So we need only 3/4 cup flour here. 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup. Mix. Very soft and smooth, right? I will cover this. I'm going to let it sit just in a cool place. So these beans are well cooked. Easily you can mash like this, just by stirring. And turn up the heat to medium high. We need to reduce this water. So just keep stirring. A lot of water evaporate. You see, we have to do this until all this bean paste is one lump. Look at that. You see? Okay, now remove from the heat. These beans are nicely done. We have to make it sweet. So this is natural sweetener made with natural fruits and vegetables, 0 calorie. These days I love to use that. But you can use also white sugar. So don't use brown sugar because of the color. I want to keep this white lima bean, beautiful white color. I use 1/3 cup. I will just add to this my bean paste. If we want to make it sweeter, add just 1/2 cup. Pinch of salt. And we need this vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And low heat. Over low heat, just mix together. When you add sugar, definitely it's going to loosen. You see? Until all sugar is well melted. So this color is a creamy, gorgeous color. Look at that. You know, when you drop this, drop 1 second like this. When this is cooled down, it's going to be thickened so that you can make that bowl so to shape this manju. Let's shape and make a cookie. And then this is the dough we made. So flour, 1 tablespoon. See, sticky. More solid than before. So make 2 equal bowls. And then make a nice bowl again. Made 2 bowls. And this is the bean paste. So this is also, I'm going to divide into 2. In my plastic bag, I will just make this like this. And flour here. And first, let's make this flatten. This bean paste like this. And look at this, like this. And just press down a little bit. And then grab this with your both hands. And push this. And maybe sticky, then use your flour. Like this. Is this a familiar scene? When I made chimpang, fluffy buns with sweet red beans. this method we use. You see? Just turn around, and push a little bit until these guys we can close like this. This is basically delicious bowl. Inside full of bean paste, sweet beans. Okay, and make the other one. And beans. So now we make this rope. Press, press. Next one. This is a cinnamon, 계피만주. We need cinnamon powder. This is a cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon this is. Between. Next, we gotta wet these ropes and water. And roll. This is a parchment paper. Put on my baking sheet. And then 1 egg yolk. And we need the sesame seeds, plain sesame seeds, and black sesame seeds. Cut this into bite-sized pieces. Look at that! Isn't it awesome? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24. 24 cookies are here. And then now we gotta add this egg yolk. Break egg yolk. Now, sesame seeds. And also black sesame seeds. I preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Don't make it crowded. We use just a little bit baking soda, it may expand. Let's bake. I put this pan in the middle rack. And I'm going to bake 20 minutes. 20 minutes after, we can eat cookie together. Hello, hello. 20 minutes passed. Let's check it out. Turn off. Oh, wow. Look at that. Good, good. Wow, gorgeous. Smells really, cinnamon smells so good. I know the taste. That's why my mouth is watering. Wow, nice. Hot. I'm always happy whenever I finished my cooking. When the result is coming, always happy. You guys too? Oh, these guys just later I will eat. Oh my, look at that. Let me taste. I will eat this one. Bean paste. Wow, so delicious. So 1 bite after all this melting in my mouth. You you need to eat with water or tea. Black sesame seeds. This. See, the outside of the dough is very thin. Even you don't see that the dough. So thin. Inside full of bean paste. And sesame seeds. When I chew this together, it's very crunchy and sesame seed flavor go well together. So today we made cookies filled with sweet bean paste with cinnamon flavor. So 계피만주. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.